Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to log into your ADP mobile solutions app. Now if you want to log into your ADP mobile solutions app and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply follow the steps shown in the video to log into your ADP mobile solutions. Now to do so, you need to simply open mobile ADP mobile solutions app on a device. So if you have not installed, go on App Store and install it, and you may also open it from your App Store. Otherwise, if you have installed the app, you will see the options of ADP mobile solutions on device. Now it is asking for your location and all. If you want to log in, you need to simply click on the option of login and you need to write your username. So this is just a demo video, so I'm just writing it like that. You may also save a user ID, and after a user ID after saving a user ID, you may click on the option of next. So after that, you may sign in with a look, or if you want to enable it now, you may click on the option of enable, or if you don't want to do it right now, then click on the option of remind me later. And you need to enter the password for your ADP mobile solutions app. So simply enter the password for your account and you'll be able to log into your ADP mobile solutions app. So that's it. I hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.